Okay, Jenny, so tell me what you got there.
Matt.
That book is called Matt? Okay.
See?
Oh, yeah. And you're going to read it to me?
Yep.
All right.
Matt. Sat. Sam. Sat. Matt sat on Sam.
What?
Sat on Matt.
Sam sat on Matt.
Matt sat, Sam sat. The end.
Well, that was a pretty easy one, right? Do they get harder?
Yes, the ones at the end are pretty hard, I would say.
Yeah. Well, let's do the next one and see how good that goes.
Okay. Sam and Cat.
Okay.
Matt and Cat. Sam, Matt, and Cat. Cat sat on Sam.
Oh dear, he did? Is he a big cat?
No, he's little.
Oh, okay. So it's okay.
He's really. Matt sat on Sam.
Oh.
Sat Sam. Sad Matt. Sam sat. Matt sat. Okay, Sam. Okay, Matt. Okay, Cat. The end.
Good job. Do you want to do one more? What's this one? Dot. Who's Dot?
She's this logo on the front.
Oh, okay.
Dot. Dot has a hat. Dot has a cat. The cat has a hat. E.
That's silly, isn't it?
Dot has a dog. Dog has a hat. Dog has a rag hat.
Oh no.
Because hat used to look like that.
Mm-hmm.
Now his hat looks like that.
Oh my goodness, he chewed it all up. Silly dog.
Sad dog. Now it looks like this.
Oh, sad dog.
Sad dog. Sad cat. I think they got that for his birthday.
Oh, maybe.
Dog had on a rag hat.
Well, that'll work too, huh?
The end. Yeah. Mac. Mac. Mac is a boy. He's a squid boy.
Okay.
Mac has a bag. The bag has a dog. He's stuck in it.
Oh my goodness.
Mac has a dog and a bag. Mac is a dog and has a rag. Mac can tag Mac. Mac got the rag. Mac sat on the rag. Mac sat on the bag. The end. Now I've got one
Good job,
more.
honey. One more.
And then I'll try just one more again.
Well, I think the purple ones are a little bit harder, aren't they?
I can do it without you. Dot and Mitt.
Okay.
Dot and Mitt. Dot has a cat. The cat has is Mitt.
Mitt.
Mitt. Look, he likes his purple butterfly flowers.
The cat is Mitt.
K. Dot and Mitt sat on the mat. Hot. Dot. Hot. Mitt. Dot.
Wait, I think it's dot is hot, right? Is there an is in that sentence?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dot did nap.
Okay.
Mitt didn't nap.
Mitt did not nap.
Did not nap. What does that say?
Sound it out.
It
Yep.
sit.
Yes.
Dot. Dot didn't nap. The end.
The end. Good job, sweetie.
Now one more.
I think that's enough for the movie, huh?
No. This one is going to be a very silly one.
All right, one more.
Okay, but you have to go back to channel 1.
Channel 1. Do you want me to start taping over?
Yeah. Dot
Okay.
and the dog. Dot had a bag.
I think that's it, honey.
No.
Oh, okay.
The bag had a tag.
Okay.
Is the bag hot? The bag is hot.
Oh, it's a hot bag.
It was
Okay, make sure you follow along. Get all those words.
the hot and
Dot
has
had
a dog. The dog is Mag. Mag got the bag. Dot got Mag.
Okay. Then what?
Dot sat. D. B.
That's a D. D.
D.
Did.
Did. Mm, Mag.
Yeah.
Did Mag sit on the back? Mag.
Actually, it says, did Mag sit?
Did
And then the
Mag
next sentence says,
Mag did sit on the bag. He squished. Mag hid the bag. Dot found. Got the bag.
no, Dot got
Mag
Mag.
and the bag.
That's right. Last page.
The bag had a hot dog.
Yay! So that's why Mag wanted it. Good
The
job, Jenny.
end.
You're a very good reader, you know that?
Now,
Tell me how old you are again.
4. And now let's just try this one.
I think I'm going to stop taping though, okay?
No.
You want to be in more movies.
Yeah.